Your friend built a site where you never have to log out. Unfortunately for him, that means we're never leaving. Let's hijack the admin account. In today's challenge, we are going to do old session, where we're going to hijack the admin session and get the flag. The challenge emphasizes the importance of session timeout controls. The developer of a new social media platform mentions he hates constantly logging into sites and configured the page so that once you log in, you never have to log out again. This is a major red flag indicating that sessions likely never expire and might be easily accessible. Reconnaissance. Upon launching the instance and visiting the URL, we are greeted with a standard social media landing page. Start by registering a dummy account and logging in to see the site's functionality. After logging in, a message on the dashboard says, "Hey, I found a strange page at /sessions. Let's navigate to /sessions endpoint. Just copy the address and add the endpoint. We can see it reveals a plain text list of active session keys stored on the server. Here is our admin session. Before we grab it, let's analyze the vulnerability first. The vulnerability here is twofold. 1. Information exposure. The application is publicly leaking active session identifiers via the /sessions endpoint. 2. Broken authentication or session hijacking. Because the developer said _permanent, true and neglected session expiration. Any user who obtains these session strings can impersonate the associated user. Exploitation. First, copy the session string associated with the admin and go back to the main page of the challenge. Right-click anywhere and select Inspect or press F12. Navigate to the Application tab if you're using Chrome or Edge and Storage tab if you're using Firefox. 3. Inject the cookie. Look for a cookie named Session. We can see that this value is the same as the value in the /sessions endpoint. Go back to the main page and double-click the value of the session cookie. And delete your current session ID. Paste the admin session. And press Enter. Now, refresh the page. Since the browser is now sending the admin session token, the server recognizes you as the administrator. The updated page displays Welcome Admin followed by the flag. Let's copy the flag and go back to our PicoCTF webpage and submit the flag. And that's it. We've gotten the correct flag. Conclusion and lessons learned. 1. Session management. Sessions should always have a reasonable expiration time, TTL, time to live. 2. Secure storage. Session data should never be exposed to users via public endpoints like /sessions. 3. Logout mechanism. Proper logout functions should invalidate the session on the server side, not just delete the cookie on the client side. Like and subscribe for more CTF walkthroughs. See you next one. Bye-bye.